Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So what we're gonna talk about today, a couple of people told me to do the tutorial why the bike doesn't change the gears, and that's one of the main issues that I also have seen in the past, and we're gonna talk about it right now. Your main problem, if your main problem number one, if your bike doesn't shift, is this one. You want to come over here and feel the shifters. You want to see how much friction you have on them, because what's happening, these bolts will get loose over the time, and then basically you won't have lots of friction on your shifters, so the shifters won't stay where they're supposed to, where you want them, and then you will throw off the wiring, which won't have enough friction and tension to get on the derailleur. So like I said, number one, you want to check the shifters and see how they feel if they haven't been serviced in a while. And that takes me to the problem number two. Problem number two, you come back over here and you have the wires. If you have lots of slack, chances are you're not getting enough tension to pull the derailleurs in order to get some shifting action. So basically, this one over here is in a pretty good shape because it has been serviced. However, if you see lots of slack, chances are you gotta get your wires adjusted properly in order to get some tension. So in order to get the derailleur to shift. And that takes us to problem number three, your derailleurs. So there's one at the front and then there's one at the back. Okay, so basically what I like to do, if I cannot test, the shifter cables are too loose, I like to push manually. You want to push manually like this, and then you will get a feel if it moves. Basically, you will know if it's seized or not. This one is a little hard to push because I have it on the bigger cog. And if you go back over here on the reeler, you can easily do with your finger manually. See? So you can kind of see how far in and out it will go. And that's how you can tell if it works or not. If it works manually, like this way, you see if it moves, chances are you just gotta come back over here and adjust the screws, which means derailleur adjustment. Chances are they haven't been adjusted in ages, and that's why some of them won't go all the way. I mean, the derailleur won't go all the way and won't go all the way at the back, at the front, sorry. So those are your main issues why your bike won't shift if it hasn't been serviced in a long time. I hope you found it useful. Like, subscribe, and there's going to be more videos to come. Take care.